How to write a good article for article marketing. Learning how to write a good article for article marketing can be fun, easy, and very profitable for you when you get really good at it. It really is a lot like many other things. Take golf, for example. Hundreds of thousands of people play golf every year. Yet, only the ones that take it seriously, who've taken the time to study, learn, and master the basics, can do it easily, effortlessly, and profitably. The point here is that it may seem difficult and challenging initially, but after you've progressed past the initial learning curve, it will take on a whole different meaning for you. As you will see, the basic steps to follow are simple. It's continued use and application of these steps that will allow you to reap the full benefits of article marketing. Some of these benefits include things like being perceived as an expert or authority in your field, getting more organic links from other site owners back to your articles, getting more targeted traffic to your site, earning more sales and commissions. Now that we know why we should invest the time and effort needed to learn how to write a good article for article marketing, we can look at some of the basic steps to follow. 1. All good marketing starts with good keyword research. You need to find a good keyword to write about. These should be keywords that are getting a lot of searches, but may not have a lot of other well-established sites already ranking for them. Because new keywords are being created every day, it's not that difficult to find some really good keywords to target. 2. Next comes the actual keyword topic research. Now you want to do your research on the topics you'll be writing about. So if, for example, you're going to be writing about a golf niche and your keyword phrase is left-handed golf clubs, you would do your research to find useful information about that topic. 3. Create your format and be sure that you have your SEO factors included. You'll find that it will be a lot easier for you if you have a basic format to work from on each article. For example, your format could include the following outline. An introduction, where you'll need to create interest in the reader. This can be done by giving some background information about yourself or the topic itself. The body of the article, where you'll explain more about the topic and include useful information that provides value to your readers. Summary or conclusion. This is where you'll share the benefits of the reader clicking on your link to either get more free information by signing up for your email list or visiting your website to learn more about purchasing the product or service. These are the 3 basic steps involved in learning how to write a good article for article marketing. By modifying and adapting them to fit your particular niche and writing style, you too will be able to enjoy all the benefits that article marketing can provide you with.